An unusual connection between Supreme Court nominee Judge Brett Kavanaugh and his accuser, Christine Blasey Ford, has some questioning her possible motives. Ford has accused Kavanaugh of sexual assault when they were teenagers in the 1980s. While the accusations seemed plausible, Ford's motivations are now being called into question by some. According to records in the state of Maryland, the parents of Christine Blasey Ford were involved in a foreclosure case in 1996 and 1997 in which one of the judges was Martha Kavanaugh, the mother of Brett Kavanaugh. While the exact details of the case are still unclear, it appears Ford's parents were sued in a foreclosure case, which they lost. Martha Kavanaugh was not the deciding judge on the verdict or settlement, but her name is included as the presiding judge on several filings made by the plaintiffs in the case. If Christine Ford knew Martha Kavanaugh was one of the judges involved, there could be some animosity towards the family over what was likely an emotional foreclosure case. Kurt Schlichter highlighted the discovery today on his Twitter account, but made it clear the details were uncovered by Richard Armand Mills of Turning Point USA. The revelations comes among other aspects of Ford's life that some say may have motivated her to speak against Kavanaugh. As we reported earlier, Ford participated in the march against Trump in 2017, and even wore a variation of the pussy hat in the march. We also reported that Ford has strong ties to the Democratic Party. The registered Democrat donated to Bernie Sanders' 2016 presidential campaign, and she is currently represented by Deborah Katz, a liberal activist lawyer who calls herself a member of the Trump resistance. Heavy.com is reporting that Ford signed a letter earlier this year, signed by numerous professionals in the psychological industry, demanding that President Trump end the practice of separating illegal immigrant families at the border. Some found the connection just a bit too coincidental.